Michael Jordan had a coach. In fact, he had multiple coaches. He had like a head coach like a Phil Jackson, but he also had a personal coach, a strength training coach. Why does the greatest basketball player of all time need a coach? Because those that are striving for excellence know that they need to keep growing. And that's what coaches do. If you've launched into your PBL journey at this point and you're wandering a bit and you're in unknown territory, finding some dead ends, hitting some failures, those are great growth opportunities. Like, we want those for you. But there's also some structures that have been built, some people that are a little bit farther along in the path than you are that can help you as a coach. So today we're going to talk about who's your PBL coach. I'm Ryan Stoyer, and welcome to PBL Simplified for Teachers, where we look into your PBL need-to-knows to simplify the PBL process for your classroom. An experienced coach can help you reflect, can give you accountability, can give you some resources. Not to do the work for you. That would be stealing your learning. We're definitely not about that. But if there's somebody who's a little bit farther ahead, they can help guide you into some of the practices that you're looking for. In fact, a coach, I would say, can slingshot you about 2 to 3 years quicker. You'll figure it out on your own. But a coach can help get you there quicker. So if you're sure that PBL is the route for you, I say jump in and find a coach. Now, where do you find a coach? They're all over the place, right? Because it can be just about anybody. Find somebody who's a little bit farther ahead than you are on this path and start to pick their brain. You might find them on Twitter. Go #PBL chat. On there, you're going to find a whole group of people that are out there striving to do a little bit more and a little bit more. They're looking for resources, and they're generous with those resources. They're happy to share what's worked for them. Find that Twitter chat every Tuesday evening, #PBL chat, and you can find somebody that way. Look for somebody else in your school or district that's on the same path that you are, and you can just get together. Pick a Wednesday morning and just get together and start to bring ideas and resources together. Maybe it's somebody in a surrounding school district. Maybe you get together once a quarter. Find somebody that's a little bit farther ahead, and then go ahead and take the generous act, find somebody that's a little bit behind you, and bring those folks together, and this synergy starts to happen, and you can coach each other. If you don't have that network yet, grab my book. I can coach you, right? Through this book, we go step by step through the different tenets of PBL, and we share wins, we share fails, and we give you a place to start. And right now, there's actually a free course that goes along with it where I actually walk you through with videos just like this, each chapter of the book. So we talk about community partners in chapter 8, and then I give you some more feedback in there, some more details there, so I can actually coach you through the book and part of your PBL journey. It'd be really fun. If your whole staff is ready to jump in, Magnify Learning has some coaching for that. We can actually meet with you weekly. We take some portion of your staff that first week, next portion the second week, third week, and maybe your administrators the fourth week. So everybody's getting monthly coaching. What happens as you start to develop these coaching relationships is you know you're going to meet with that person next week, so you have to do what you said you were going to do. There's this internal accountability. It's not like, hey, you didn't do your stuff, but it's, hey, we're all trying to get better. And you said that you were going to try this entry event. How'd it go? And if you know that I'm going to ask you that question, then it gives you that extra nudge, that extra bit of courage to jump in there and do it. So scour your network, look for those PBLers that are around you, and start to build your coaching network. Or reach out and do something a little more formal. But the coach, just like Michael Jordan knows that a coach will help move you farther, faster, a coach in your PBL journey will do the exact same thing. So reach out for some resources around coaching. You're going to absolutely love it. And as you do that, we'll help you engage your learners, tackle boredom, and transform your classroom.